Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very interesting, inspiring, and beautiful story of Jayanti Sahu and Chittaranjan Sahu. These both two are from Bhubaneswar, and they both have made their terrace as a garden. They have turned their terrace into beautiful garden with over 450 plants. Yes, my dear friends, and Chittaranjan Sahu is a retired banker. Both have won many awards in many competitions also in this. Their plants are amazing and everyone would really like to see that. And they have grown home vegetables also. They have distributed so many vegetables to so many people, and these are all organic vegetables which anyone would love to have in their home. So it's the fruit of their hard work which everyone is reaping. So we really got inspired by the efforts of this couple. So when people got retired, they are turning them into farming and helping everyone. So why can't you do that? And yesterday also, with the story of Mangat Singh ji, we have learned that at the age of 80 you can still earn with your own work, right? And today I have a very beautiful wellness mantra with a very beautiful story. So I just wanted to narrate you a story which happens to be real one, and I was just wondering and I just wanted to share with you. Earlier I thought I should not, but I should definitely share with you. This is a wellness mantra for all of you. So the story goes like, I stayed in Iskon temple, and there I just got a prasadam as in some fruit in prasadam. So I was also hungry. I wanted to go. I was going for a work, and then there were two ladies who were sitting outside. They wanted something, some food or some money or whatever. So they were very old. So I thought I will eat at office. However, I just thought of giving it to them. I was like, oh my God, they might be needing it much more than me. I can buy and I'll eat that. So I have just shared that, and I have given something else also to the other lady, and they have given me so many blessings. So I just wanted to touch their feet because they were genuinely giving me the blessings. So I don't know what blessings they have given because I couldn't understand the language. So I left for the work, and you wouldn't believe, whole day I didn't feel like eating anything. I was so full till night. I was so full. So you know what? It's what you give, what you contribute. Universe will take care of your needs. I was thinking for a while, how come I did not feel like eating anything? How come I didn't feel like eating? Maybe some magic has happened or whatever happened. So it's not what you are receiving, it's just what you're contributing that matters, and with what intentions you're contributing. You never know what blessings you will get, right? So please keep on sharing your everything with everyone, and keep on sharing these wellness mantras with everyone, and keep on sharing these stories with people, those who can get motivated, and they should not feel that we are on deathbed, we are on retirement. They should get motivated to do something or another and help community also. You never know whom you are inspiring. So with this story, please keep on sharing. I hope you have understood the power of sharing. So it's not how much you need that thing, it's how much you are willing to release. And without eating, i mean I was wondering how come I was working whole day like a machine, and some stress also was going on at that time. Still I didn't feel like eating. So that was the magic which I have observed by staying in silence. And it was the same day I remember. And I am mesmerized and I am seriously grateful for all that. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for listening to me, and gratitude always. Please keep on sharing these wellness mantras and these stories with everyone, and keep on smiling. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.